Hello friends, hope you are all doing well. Our today's topic is SAP S4 HANA, which is my 10th lecture of the playlist, Introduction to ERP, SAP and HANA. And this SAP S4 HANA is the successor version of SAP ECC, which we have already learnt in the previous lecture. Let's go into our topic. What is SAP S4 HANA? The acronym of SAP S4 HANA is SAP Business Suite 4 for S4 HANA. Here, S in S4 HANA stands for simple and 4 represents 4th generation. And the meaningful description is, it is 4th generation SAP Business Suite which involves all the SAP related business process which works on SAP HANA database, where SAP HANA is an in-memory database, and it is launched in the year 2015. Suite on HANA versus Suite for HANA. When an SAP ECC runs on HANA database, it is called SAP Business Suite on HANA. This we have already learnt in the previous lecture. Whereas when SAP S4 HANA runs only on SAP HANA database, supporting some new technologies like AI, ML, IoT and Fiori apps, is called SAP Business Suite for HANA. Editions of SAP S4 HANA. Like SAP ECC, here also there are of two versions, on-premise version and cloud version. And cloud version is further divided into two, public cloud version and private cloud version. Any premise version, essential version, extended version are the new names of on-premise, public cloud and private cloud versions respectively. Evolution of SAP S4 HANA. When comes to on-premise versions, the first version of SAP S4 HANA is SAP Simple Finance 1.0, which is launched in the year 2014. And the second version is SAP Simple Finance 2.0 or SAP S4 HANA 1503 or SAP Simple Finance 1503, which is launched in the year 2015. As many customers started purchasing SAP software inside and outside Germany, its business got expanded, which involves many development changes. So taking that into consideration, they have a thought of releasing multiple versions in the same year. So here 1503 is not the complete year. So here first two digits represent the name of the year and the last two digits represent the month of the year. So here it is in the year 2015 and released in the month of March. So in this way they have expressed. And the latest version is SAP S4 HANA 2023. So here the first version and the latest version they have released only once in the year. So the complete name of the year is given here. And in case of cloud versions, no matter whatever the year is, every time two versions will be released in the same year. The first version is SAP S4 HANA Cloud 1603, where first two digits represent the name of the year, which is 2016, and 03 represents month, which is month of March. And the second version is SAP S4 HANA Cloud, which is released in the year 2016 in the month of May. And the latest versions are SAP S4 HANA Cloud, which is released in the year 2023 in the month of February, also in the month of August. We will see more about the versions in the upcoming videos. SAP S4 HANA on SAP HANA database. So unlike SAP ECC, it runs only on SAP HANA database, which uses in-memory database technology. So this in-memory computing engine technique allows to store the data in RAM rather than storing it in disk. And from RAM, CPU will take data and process it. And this provide quicker results relying on real-time data. We shall see SAP HANA database and its product versions in the SAP Logon Pad. I am launching SAP Logon Pad. Here, if you go to Systems in the menu bar, And if you go to status, here we can see the operating system is Linux and the database system is HDB, which stands for HANA database. And if you go to the product versions, in the install product versions tab, we can see S4 HANA on-premise version released in the year 2021. Along with that, we can also see the SAP basis component and also MDG, which stands for Master Data Governance, and S4 Core, and some of the modules like SAP CRM, SAP HR, and also IS Oil, ISPRA, which stands for Industrial Solutions. So this all represents along with SAP HANA, these are also integrated. And the modules what we are seeing here will vary from system to system and also the person who is working on it, and also varies based on the type of business they are working on it. Let's go through some key points so far we have learned. SAP says it had to rewrite Business Suite 400 millions of code to build SAP S4 HANA. And it reorganized SAP ECC functional modules into LOB, which is called Line of Business. The first LOB was SAP S4 HANA Finance, and the subsequent LOBs include logistics, sales, R&D, and many more. This is all about SAP S4 HANA. Thank you, friends. Hope you enjoyed the session. Our next video will be on SAP HANA. Until then, keep learning and share the knowledge.